All right, so just listen to me right now. Listen to me right now. I want to tell you something. If you are in the online space or you're a network marketer and you are having issues in getting your family members to pick your call because your family members are avoiding you already, because whenever you call, it's either you want to sell them a business or you want to talk to them about your products and services or your opportunity, or at least they think that that's the reason you're calling them. And so for that reason, they're not taking your calls. Are you there? It's fine. Are you a network marketer who begs people to please sign up with me? And you actually like desperately ask them to sign up with you. And then you also tell them that you will do all the work for them when you know deep down in your mind and in your heart that you can't do the work for everybody. Are you there? Are you that kind of person when you know that you can't do the work for everybody? You're telling them that you're going to do the work for them because you simply want them to sign up with you. Do you get to hawk your products and opportunities like a street hawker in desperation? Do you feel overwhelmed because of all the plenty things that the gurus and the coaches, they ask you to do every single day on social media? And in fact, you do not even know sometimes why you're doing those things. Well, even if you know why you're doing those things, you're not getting the results that you're looking for. And so it's becoming frustrating. Are you in that place right now? Listen, so many people, so many persons are pretending. When you ask them, say, awesome, it's working. It's okay, everything is fantastic. Well, that's a positive way of talking, but let's face it, is it really fantastic? Is it working for you? Okay, now, in order to succeed, do you also jump into every course, every program, and every time you are learning and learning and learning, and sometimes you are even pretending to learn when you are actually wasting the time because there is no cash flow and you are not even getting the leads that you so desperately need in order for your business to grow? Are you in that position? Are you that entrepreneur that jumps from one company to another with a mindset that if you get there early enough and you sign up and then you find two persons, especially if it's probably a binary compensation plan, you put one person on the left and one person on the right and you're good to go. Then you just go and sleep and lounge and then enjoy the benefits of residual income. Are you that person with that mindset? Jump from one place to another? The truth of the matter is that, the problem here is that usually it is not about the company or the product. It's about you or your strategy. If your strategy is not well defined, if it's not okay, if it's not in tandem with if it's not properly placed, you will not get the desired results. If your mindset is not primed in a way that you work in a way that would actually give you the results, the growth that you look forward to, you would not get the growth. That's the truth. For most network marketers, the biggest problem with your strategy is that it is 100% manual. For most people, their strategy is 100% manual and there is no automation whatsoever. You see, one of the best ways to grow your organization and also to recruit people every day and also sell your products every day is through what we call network marketing funnels. Are you using a network marketing funnel in your business to automate your sales and recruitment efforts? Maybe you are, it's possible, or maybe you are not. But let's just face it. If you do not have systems and funnels in place, you are going to exhaust yourself. Let's face it, that's the truth. If you do not have systems in place, you do not have funnels in place, you're going to exhaust yourself. And that is not the kind of life that anybody wants to sign up for. Plus, isn't it really cool? Isn't it really beautiful for you to create something that can bring you leads and sales 24 hours, 7 days a week, even while you are asleep? Wouldn't that be beautiful? Now I have a gift for you that can help you to understand the new ways to get new leads every single day. And you see, for you to succeed online, you need to understand two fundamental things. Number one, you need to understand the principles and the philosophies of magnetic marketing. How do you become a magnetic marketer? How do you magnet people instead of chasing them? Number two, you need to understand automation. How can you automate your processes so that even when you are asleep, your system goes to work for you? Now, with this gift that I have, that I'm about to give to you for free, one, you do not need to beg anybody to join you in your business. Number two, you will learn how to pre-qualify people using an automated system so that you can select who you want to work with as against people that will become a nightmare in your business. Trust me, you don't want to work with some people. You actually need to get yourself to a point where you select people, whether you pre-qualify people, whether you want to work with them or not. And you can do it even if you're just starting today. You might have been in network marketing for 15 years, 20 years, but you do not understand these principles. And so every time it's as if you are starting afresh. Now, this is the last post. I think if you apply the things that you're going to learn from the book, from the gift that I'm about to give to you, then it's there, you're good to go. Number three, you will learn how to use a marketing system that is automated and works for you to get more leads and also sell more products and services even when you are asleep. It doesn't matter whether you are in real estate, it doesn't matter whether you are in health and wellness, it doesn't matter whether you are in cryptocurrency, it doesn't matter where you are. But if you have a system that works for you so that you are able to make sales and get more people into your business to grow your acquisition while you are asleep, that's fantastic. Number four, with the gift I'm about to give to you, you will have a map on how exactly you can post on social media to get free leads and cash flow instead of wasting your time posting irrelevant things or things that are not giving you the results that you are looking for. The truth is, many of us, especially in Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, name it, what we do is that when we earn checks or when we actually have cars or we get gifts or we qualify awards or all that stuff, what we do is that we begin to brandish all of that on social media. Or when somebody earns a check, we begin to post a check on social media. The fact is, in as much as that's all part of some business strategy or one street business strategy or the other, the truth is serious people do not follow you because of your show of affluence. They do not follow you because of your checks. They do not follow you because of the checks of other people that you show. Testimonials are powerful, yes. But serious people do not follow you because of your material achievements. You must understand this. They follow you, serious people follow you because they have come to trust you that you can help them. Now, being there every time to help people, to respond to people, and to try to help them, even if you have a heart of gold, can be ruthlessly exhausting. You will not be able to be there every single time to help people. No, you won't be able to do that because you're human. You have same 24 hours that everybody has. I have been there before. Trust me, you will break down, and that is not the kind of life anybody wants. Now, what if I have a system that can help you to automate your processes so that you can help as many people as you want to help, that you desire, without burning out? And then you can also make as much business growth and achieve as much cash flow as you want, as you desire, without getting burnt out, without getting overwhelmed, without feeling overwhelmed, without getting exhausted. How would that feel? How would you feel if with a few clicks, you can help people using this automated system, and then you can also pass this automated system with a few clicks to people who will join you in your business? so that even while you are asleep, the automated system works for you and gets more people into your business. Apart from that, the automated system that you pass on to your team can also use same to grow their businesses. And this is how network marketing works. When you help people to grow, they also grow. You agree with me, right? So what if we could give you a system that can help you automate your business, and then you can also pass it to members of your team so that they can also automate their businesses. And because of the value that they get from you, they stay stuck with you, they grow, and you also grow. How would that feel? That would be an explosion. Your business is just going to explode, and you will start ranking in your current company or wherever you want to be. Now, did I get you excited a little bit? Did I get you excited a little bit about having your own network marketing automated system? I hope I did that. I hope I did a good job, right? To get you excited, to think, oh, I could really automate my system. Instead of me holding all those hotel meetings, coffee meetings, expensive halls, having all that big seminars here and there, I'm not sure who's going to swipe, who's going to be part of my business or not, but I can actually automate everything. I can actually run my business wearing pants in my bedroom. How does that feel? I wouldn't have to commute every now and then across the streets of Lagos or any part of Africa, whatever country you are, but I could actually do this. That I would actually attend physical meetings if I absolutely have to attend. Otherwise, I can run my business from home. I can run my business from anywhere with an automated system. That really feels, that really sounds cool. Or have I gotten into that point where you feel that excited? I hope you're excited about having this automated funnel system working for you 24 hours, 7 days a week, and bringing you automatic sales and leads. Now, if you want to see more of what I'm talking about, in order to help you go through the steps in implementing an automated funnel system for your business, then you know what you need to do? You need to click on the link. It could be below, on top, wherever, depending on where you're watching this video. Click on the link so that you will have access to the free gifts or the free resources that I have for you to help you set up a system that will automate your business from the start to the finish. No matter what business you're in, trust me, no matter what business you're in, trust me, if you need to attract clients or prospects and make sales 24/7, then this gift is going to be valuable to you. So click on the link below. It could be up, it could be below, it could be on top, it could be on the side, left, right, whatever, but click on the link below. I sincerely, really want to help you, and it's for free. Okay? I hope to see you inside when you grab your free gift. Bye for now, and do have an amazing business journey.